output together as well. So the more that we compress, the more our output comes together.
So guys, it's unders today. Nice and simple little tip with Waves plugins so you can control multiple parameters all at once. Great example for this is when you're adjusting the threshold on the compressor, your audio gets quieter if there's no auto gain. By using this little trick, you can make it so it automatically gains up as you reduce the threshold. Let me show you how that works.
Hello guys, it's Unders. I just want to come in today with a really nice quick tip for when using Waves plugins. And it's the fact that you can link together multiple parameters and control them all in one go. What do I mean by this? I mean that we could link our ratio and release controls here on the API 2500. We could control them both together. So at the minute it's just doing some compression, and maybe we want to move that ratio and release together for whatever reason, or even the attack ratio and release. So at the moment it would just be like this. Normal, we can adjust those individual controls. However, on Waves plugins, if you hold Shift, you can select multiple controls and see how they're both highlighted now. So let's reset both our attack and release. So let's both have our attack and release both in the center. If we hold Shift and Control and link both of these together, we can now play and adjust them together. And they can work from different points as well. So say this was our current attack and release settings. We could link them both together. And see how they retain the value between each other as well. Now we could also link something like threshold and output together as well. So the more that we compress, the more our output comes together. So if we were to get both of these guys linked, the more that we compress it, the more our output would go up. If we dial the output back a little bit just to compensate for that, let's try it. So a plugin that doesn't have auto makeup gain compensation, you can just link the two controls and adjust them at the same time, and you should be able to maintain the same level. Nice little pro tip there for you. I hope that was helpful, guys, and I will see you on the next video.